Welcome back to our show, which is mainly focused on debt solutions and financial advice. My name is Rajneesh Tyagi. I'm a debt advisor. I'm here to take calls on this live program. So, my viewers who are watching me or watching this program, they can discuss in case if you have any issues. If you want to discuss your options for money worries, if you are struggling with the debts, if it is a credit card debts, personal loan, store cards, utility bill outstanding arrears on your utility bills, or if you have HMRC tax, or if you have any other unsecured debts. So any type of unsecured debts, if you are struggling with, then please do give us a call. I'm here to help. I'm here to give advice. I'm here to listen to your individual case and possibly discuss the right solution and give to offer you a right advice. There are two types of debt solutions available. Mainly, one is formal debt solution. Formal debt solutions are legally binding solutions, which are normally that once you choose, those legally binding solutions must be chosen with very an appropriate or a suitable advice and with very important choice. So it has to be a choice has to be there, and then your debt advisor can guide you whether that formal debt solution is right for your needs. So formal debt solutions are bankruptcy, individually voluntary arrangement, debt relief order. So these are three main formal debt solutions in England and Wales. So if you are struggling with the debt, then possibly these three debt solutions might be there for your assistance. There is another debt solution which is not a formal debt solution, which is mainly an informal debt solution. We call it debt management plan, or partial settlement, or full and final settlement, or you can possibly go for a remortgage option in order to pay off your debts. So these are normally debt solutions which are not legally binding. So if you want to enter into a debt management plan, that's not something which is legally binding. You don't need to declare it. You pay your creditors privately. Your debt advisor is going to manage your debts and maintain your repayment on the debt. So if you are struggling to meet regular repayment on your credit commitments, especially on credit cards, personal loans, store cards, or any other unsecured borrowings, a debt management plan can take your debt burden off from your shoulders. So if you are struggling, then possibly a debt management plan could be more suitable for your needs. What is a debt management plan? A debt management plan is actually an agreement that can be made between you and your creditors. So whoever owes you money, so if it is say banks, or if it is a service company, if it is some financial institution, your supplier, and you are not now able to maintain your timely monthly payment, and now you are risking that your monthly credit commitment is going to be missed, and possibly you are risking that a default notice may be issued on your credit report, then possibly you are now struggling under a debt problem. So if you have a debt problem, then possibly a debt management plan might be suitable also, because it's an informal debt plan. There are no legally binding clauses in debt management plan. It's an informal debt solution. It normally allows you to pay a smaller amount. So say for example, you have a debt of say 30,000, 40,000 pound or 20,000 pound, whatever amount that you have, you are obliged to pay a monthly installment towards your debt. So if you are having say 6 credit cards, 2 personal loans, so you individually pay all your 6 credit cards a minimum payment, or possibly whatever payment you are making, some top-up payment also, you are obliged to pay. So you normally pay those monthly installment. But if you are struggling and if you have a debt advice, as I discussed money matters in my previous segment of this program, then possibly you need to rethink and think fast that possibly you need an appropriate debt advice. So debt advice or a debt management plan help you to pay a smaller amount each month than you originally agreed with your lenders. So whatever amount you agreed with your lenders, the time when you signed your credit commitments or you signed your credit agreement, you specifically agreed on terms of a loan or on credit card. So debt management program or debt management plan allows you to pay a smaller amount, or an amount we normally call in our terms is an affordable amount, which we normally call in debt management plan as a disposable income. So if your disposable income is low, then within that disposable income, your debt advisor try to get an acceptance from all your creditors. Normally, some of viewers normally ask, is debt management plan is suitable for your needs? It depends. So if you have a disposable income, you have your, so in order to assess your suitability on a debt management plan, there are various factors, various aspects which a debt advisor has to assess you on. The most important factor is the amount of debt you have. Second aspect is the disposable income, or the level of disposable income you have, or the amount of disposable income you have. Time frame to pay off your debts. Also your assets, your liabilities, your employment, self-employment, your ability to pay, and your lifestyle also. So there are various factors which will ensure that what debt solution must be chosen for your needs. Normally, a debt management plan, under a debt management plan, your debt advisor, what your debt advisor do, that a debt advisor will consolidate all your debts into one single monthly payment, which you normally can comfortably afford. There are three key benefits of a debt management plan. One is your debt advisor can assess and prepare your income and expenditure, can do your financial due diligence, and come up with a figure which is affordable by you every month. Within that amount, your debt advisor then endeavor to get an acceptance from your creditors, individual creditors, and those acceptances would be in writing, so that a new alternate payment plan can take place in order to pay your debts. The benefit, there are three benefits of a debt management plan. One is that you pay what you can comfortably afford. The second benefit is that your debt advisor aims to freeze all the interest and charges on your credit cards, or your personal loans, or your store cards, or any other type of unsecured borrowings you have. So they, as a debt advisor, it is their duty to ensure that they can possibly try and ensure that your creditors are able to freeze interest and charges. I must reiterate here, normally your priority debts, especially HMRC tax debt, if you have, they are not bound to freeze interest and charges on your tax liability. So ensure that you pay your priority debt, as the word says, priority, on a priority basis. So if you have a priority debt, pay it also on a priority basis. If it is a council tax, if it is your HMRC tax, if it is your utility bills, try to pay those, otherwise there are higher risk. I'm happy to discuss those. So in case if you have any specific query in relation to your priority debt, then also you can give us a call in our live studio number. Now, what type of debts are there which can be included in a debt management plan? Normally, non-priority debts can only be included in your debt management plan. So if you have, say, bank loans, we normally call it personal loans, or you have a credit cards, you have a store cards, you have utility bills only in arrears, not your ongoing utility bills. So that cannot be managed under a debt management plan. Utility bills in arrears only. So say, for example, you were living in some other property before, and now you have moved to a new property now. So in case if you have still an arrears on the other property or the previous property on your utility bills, on say water bill, gas bill, electricity bill, then that can be included in your debt management plan. So if you have also your tax bill, like unpaid self-assessment, you might have you recently filed your self-assessment for 2017 and 18 because the due date was 31st of January 2019. So you must have filed that. In case if there is a tax liability now, if you are receiving any letter from HMRC, then that's a tax liability you have. That can be also dealt under a debt management plan. If you have a county court judgment, so anyone has taken a route to sue you or to challenge your your debt under a CCJ, they want to ensure that they can get it guaranteed that it must be paid and you are liable to pay. So normally they try to get a CCJ against you, so that one CCJ can then enforce the debt in various ways. Once a CCJ has been obtained successfully by the claimant, then you are liable to pay. And then there are other avenues which normally opens up for your debt collector or for your creditor also. So if you have a county court judgments and you have a debt issues, that also can be included under a debt management plan. Apart from that, unpaid service invoices, like you took service from someone, now you are not in the position to pay that invoice, that also can be included under a debt management plan. There are certain types of debts which cannot be included under a debt management plan, which are normally, say, a mortgage debt. So if you have a mortgage debt, that cannot be added or that cannot be included under a debt management plan. Your hire purchase agreements, like you bought a car under an hire purchase agreement because your car is secured against your hire purchase, that also cannot be included under your debt management plan. TV license, magistrate court fees, those cannot be included in your debt management plan. Okay. In order to set up a debt management plan, your debt advisor need to give you an appropriate advice. They need to collect various documents from you in terms of your income, your expenses. So they need to collect your bank statement, your income proof, possibly if you are entitled to certain benefits, that's also part of your income. They need to assess those and prepare a report. So if you are struggling with any debt problems, then please give us a call on our live studio number. I am available on every Friday from 4 p.m. Onwards. This program is for 1 hour. So if you do have specific query, you can in any particular week on each Friday during these times from between 4 to 5 p.m. you can give us a call on our live studio number 01895 449999. At any time during the week, you can give us leave a message on our WhatsApp number also, which is displaying on your screen, and I would be happy to return the call or take your instruction if you need and any advice, then we can give you a call at your chosen time. So it has been a good program today. So we did discuss UK benefit system, and there are a lot of benefits which are changing now. So we did discuss about mental health and money matters, how money matters can impact your mental health, and we did discuss about a debt management plan also. It's a time that I take a leave now. Hopefully I will see you next week at the same time. Thank you. Look after yourself.